Hi there, this is Chinky Tan.
Hello po, magandang araw po sa kanilang lahat. Ako po si Novi Antan.
Yes, ang aking happy wife. Okay, meron akong happy life.
Kulit.
Hindi, grabe no, yung last episode talaga natin marami talagang yun parang tinamaan ba? And,
about time.
Oo, pero this time, ang pag-uusapan naman natin is all about insecurity. Oo.
The word insecurity.
Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, nakikiusap po kami na kung po pwede lang, if it's your first time to join us, please subscribe at our YouTube channel.
Yes, please subscribe at Happy Wife, Happy Life, Chinky Tan.
And then,
sa aming YouTube, saka rin po sa aming Instagram, Happy Wife, Happy Life PH. At sa aming FB, Happy Wife, Happy Life din po yan.
Pagka nag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube, make sure to click the bell button para pag may bago kami video, ma-notify po kayo agad.
Yes, that's good.
Okay, so, alam mo, mahal, mahirap talaga kung ang asawa mo insecure. Oo.
Yeah.
Mahirap.
So how do you make your spouse secure?
Hindi, pero bago natin ipag-usapan yung paano maging secure, ay yung tanong ko, paano malaman na ang asawa mo insecure? Oo. Sige nga.
Insecure. Well, I think it's more of insecure, like for example, alam mo na yung trabaho ng asawa mo, laging umaalis. Lagi siyang, for example, yung sinasabi kong alis, like for example, he needs to travel through and for. Tapos ikaw,
nagpaparinig ka ba?
Hindi ako insecure, Kulit. Hindi ako insecure.
Tapos, nagta-travel.
So, wala ginawa ko, hindi, nasa ka na? Ano oras ka uwi? Tapos, tagal-tagal mo, bakit ganito? Ganyan, blah, blah, blah.
So,
one of the.
So, bakit siya ganun magsalita sa palagay mo?
Well, ako, I'm just gonna speak for myself lang, Ayoko na maki-ano doon sa iba. Ako kasi, I grew up in a very big family. So, I have this feeling na saka ang dami ko na nakita na lumalaki ako. Madaming marriages na talagang hindi ko nakitang yung mga spouses together. So, I have this fear na pag hindi kami lagi magkasama, parang hindi yung when gagawin ka. It's like, sa akin personally, hindi yung meron siyang ibang third party or something. Sa akin, it's more of ma-aksidente siya. Ayoko nung ganun, yung parang in danger, may mananakit sa kanya.
Pero para sa
more
iba,
of that.
Pero para sa iba, pagka hindi nakikita, parang nag-iisip na, sino kaya kasama, ano kaya ginagawa, diba? Baka pinapalitan na ako. So,
it's true.
That's one sign of insecurity.
One sign yan.
Para sa akin, ang isang sign ng insecurity ng isang asawa, whether babae o lalaki, is parating dinadown yung asawa. 'Di ba? Yung parang siya tama, tapos parati yung asawa niya ang mali. 'Di ba? For me, it's a sign of insecurity. Yung parang
yung critical. Very critical ka sa spouse mo.
Not critical only, but also kasi you try to cover your weakness ba? You try to cover your weakness by putting down other people and then parang nililift up mo yung sarili mo.
Hindi. May nakita akong gano'n na parang kinokorek siya sa madaming tao. Naku, sakit, no?
Oo. So, marami kasing mga manifestation ang tinatawag natin insecurity.
Actually, yes.
And insecurity,
siguro mga na lang yun.
Prutas. Alam mo, ang insecurity talaga isa sa mga bagay na pwedeng makasira talaga sa relationship. Na hindi natin napapansin. Akala lang natin ugali lang yan. Pero in reality, left unchecked, it would escalate. It would escalate into into something that can that is probably irreparable already.
Kasi may root cause din yun kung saan nanggagaling yung insecurity yun. That's why it's a good news being married. Ako, I'm really, because of, hindi lang kasi yun yung insecurity ko That's how Chinky was able to help me be able to know my identity and be secure in our relationship. So, yan po yung topic namin ngayon. Kasi, hindi solusyon ng asawa nyo, no? Para maging secure ka. But, God will always use your spouse to be able to help you to be secure. So, how do we do that? So that we can help one another?
So, before we do that, isa pa siguro.
Sige, isa pa. Maganda example. Sige.
Hindi kasi may mga iba talaga na i-insecure dahil meron ding past. When you say past,
yes.
diba may nangyari na na-break yung trust. Diba? So, parang
It's true.
in the process of reconciliation, hindi pa buo yung trust. Kaya feeling ng na insecure siya pagka, yun nga, wala siya, hindi, kasi nga may nangyaring hindi maganda.
Yun, or yun nga, wala pa sigurong total forgiveness din at that time.
Hindi, wala pa rin total restoration.
Yes.
So, right now, allow us naman, right now, on the positive note, to share with you how can we make our spouse, our husband or wife, feel more secure. I'd like to share with you 5. We'd like to share with you 5.
Before that, I just want to tell, your spouse is gonna help you, but no matter what, madami pa rin may expose sa'yo ng mga insecurity. And your spouse will be able to help you to be able, yun, di ba nga, I realized then, your husband kasi or your spouse should bring out the best in you. Sometimes it could also bring out the worst in you, pero paano natin to i-manage na magtutulungan kayo doon?
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Number 1 is what? You got to mind your tone when speaking to your spouse. When you say,
yan.
mind your tone, na kailangan you watch your tone. Hindi yung tingnan mo, ay, anong tono ko? Hindi ganun yun. In other words, no harsh words, di ba?
Yeah.
Do not belittle or yung parang wag mong mamaliitin yung asawa mo. Parang,
It's true. Kasi ako, one of the practical ways na anuhan na namin ni Chinky in 20 years, when we try to correct one another, we try to correct each other privately. Hindi sa harapan ng ibang tao. Kasi that's one way also of, trying to be able to respect your spouse and use your words in a wise manner.
Yeah.
Kumbaga.
And then not only that, I highly highly encourage you to be more conscious na wag maging sarcastic to one another. Kasi minsan pagka nasaktan ka na, medyo yung nagpatong-patong na because of insecurity, ang nangyari nagiging sarcasm na lumalabas na yung sarcasm with one another. No? So I would highly recommend, instead of speaking harsh words, words that can give death,
Yes.
at the same time you become sarcastic, you speak words of hope, words of life, words of affection. Kasi when we do this, we give security to our spouse. And ito yung good news. When your spouse is secure, you also feel secure.
It's true. Yun nga, maganda yung sinabi sa sa life, I'm not sure if it's Proverbs or Psalms, but life, your tongue could be able, it could gives you life or
speak
death.
Life or speak death. Yeah.
Kasi, ako that's one of my key importance in my life, yung tao na nagbibigay sa akin ng encouragement. Will it speak life to me or death to me? So, sobrang importante. Di ba lagi mong kasama, pagising mo sa umaga, anong sasabihin niya? Di ba? It will always encourage you to strive. Di ba? To do better.
Number 2, aside from yun nga, yung watch your tone, number 2 is what? No secrets, leave no secrets in your marriage.
Yes. Ako, importante yan.
Oo, kasi para kasi pag may sikreto sa isa't isa, ano ibig sabihin? Kasi wala kang total na tiwala.
Oo. It's true.
Oo. And secrets are really silent marriage killers.
Yeah.
Diba?
Mistrust yun ang tawag.
Oo, talagang masisira talaga because the foundation of relationship is what? Trust.
Yeah.
Pag walang trust, walang relationship. Broken trust, broken relationship. So, that's the reason why it's very important that you need to divulge to one another. Lahat, pag-usapan nyo talaga lahat. Diba? Whether yung in terms of finance, diba? Walang secret na bank account, diba? How you spend your money, hindi mo kagastusin na lang yung pera na hindi kayo nag-uusap, tapos masashock na lang yung asawa mo, ay, ano nangyari dito? Saan nanggaling to? Diba mag-usap talaga kayo? Ang hirap, diba, pag may sikreto?
It's true.
Ikaw, pag may sikreto ko, how would you feel?
Syempre.
Oo.
Hindi ako at peace. Saka yun it will eventually affect your intimacy if you don't have that trust, that full trust to that person. Kasi when you say trust, di ba parang nagtitiwala ka kung ano man yun. Lahat ng buhay mo do sa taong yun. So pag ganun, it's hard for you to be able to, advance in, like for example, intimacy in sex. Diba? It's hard to do it if you don't have that trust to your spouse.
Tama. And then, let's go to third. Paano pa how to make your spouse feel more secure? I would highly recommend, especially for wives, yung mga wives na nakikinig dito na happy wife, happy life, encourage and support your spouse.
Yes.
Oo, napakahalaga nun. Para sa
Hindi
akin.
correction
Oo.
Kasi iba yung ito yung gawin mo, ito yung ganyan mo, tapos pag hindi nagawa yung gawa mo.
Oo.
Well, that's true. Sometimes I ask my friends who has their own spouses, ano ba yung binibigay mo? Advice ba yan? Encouragement ba yan? Or support ba yan? Okay raw, correct mo siya. Kasi iba yung tunog nun. Kasi I really agree with Chinky on that level. When you say encourage, you empower your spouse. And also support, kasi there are certain things in our lifetime na hindi naman laging good decisions yung ginagawa niya. So, am I there to be able to push him down? Or empower him more because of his mistakes. So, dapat nandun ka. Dun din nasi-strengthen yung relationship mo.
Kasi ako, I appreciate yung favorite words na sinasabi niya. Hey, come on, you can do it. Kaya mo yan. Diba? Parang, for me, grabe, coming from her, encouraging me, diba? Talagang builds me up Parang nagkakaroon ako ng confidence sa boost Pero nalang katulad ng nako, ba't mo gagawin yan? Di ba? Naglugi ka na nga kulit-kulit mo talaga. Hindi ka nako.
Hindi ka natuto yung mga ganong word. Kasi, yun yung sinasabing yung you need to boost one another. Kasi, yan yung actually yung asawa mo unang-unang dapat magtiwala sa'yo sa kakayahan mo. So, pag ikaw mismo na asawa mo, hindi ka naniniwala sa kakayahan ng asawa mo, sino pa?
Oo.
Di ang hirap nun.
Ang asawa dapat ang pinakaunang cheerleader.
Yes, number one fan.
Oo, hindi pwedeng yung pinakaunang nega. Oo. Mga negatron, di ba?
Totoo.
Ang hirap pag pinakasalan mong negatron, di ba? Grabe.
Kaya ako, also, madami rin binago sa akin si God na mindset regarding that. So, it's eventually, that's why you have to really be intentional. Ako, I think it's practice. Kahit na hindi ko feel like doing it, I try to practice because I know, sa kanya, importante yung words Importante yung ini-encourage mo siya, ini-empower mo siya, rather than kinokontra mo lagi yung mga desisyon niya. And sometimes, yung mistakes, alam mo, sometimes, it can be also good to strengthen your marriage. Yun nga, pag-usapan namin yan next time about conflict.
Yes.
But, what I'm trying to say is, no matter what season you are, good, bad, you need to be there to your spouse no matter what.
Yeah. Okay. Ito naman, next portion, nakatatlo na tayo, di ba?
Una is,
watch
mind your tone when speaking to your spouse.
Walang pangalawa?
Leave no secrets to your marriage.
Number 3?
You need to encourage and support
Ito
your
naman,
spouse.
Para to sa mga kalalakihan, ha? Para sa mga kalalakihan, oo. Di ba? Watch where you're looking. Dapat meron kang tapaoho, para kang kabayo na naka-cover, wala yung di ba? Diretso lang tingin, diretso lang, hindi sa side. Minsan kasi, di ba, sa totoo lang, kasama misis, biglang may dumaan na babae, saan nakatingin si lalaki? Sa lalaki.
Kulit.
Hindi. Di ba nakatingin sa babae? Grabe ko naman talaga. Sa totoo lang, kahit akong asawa mo, ito na lang, yung asawa mo babae, may nakitang gwapong lalaki, tumingin. Anong pakiramdam mo? Di ba? Sa totoo lang, di ba? Ako, I'm very conscious talaga. Kahit na may makita akong maganda, ganon. Oo. Mami ako na lang titignan pag hindi tumingin sa ako.
I think yung sinasabi ni Chinky, I appreciate him for telling this, no? You need to be intentional and be deliberate as well. Dahil hindi naman tayo, iba't iba yung weakness. But I just want to, hindi lang sa kalalakihan yan, kahit sa babae. Kailangan, when you say watch what you're looking for with all the social media right now, na binabrowse mo, na tinitingnan mo, or not only that I want to tell the women, yung mga dati nang ligaw sa'yo o naging boyfriend mo nung unang panahon,
please,
na mini-message ka. That's also, watch out for that. You need to guard yourself from those things na hindi mo dapat ine-entertain. And all those billboards, alam nyo naman kung ano yung weakness nyo na pwede mag-trigger ng, alam mong, maging hindrance sa inyong mag-asawa. So, be careful with that. Be watchful. At least, as in, yung sinasabi mo na parang, ilayo mo yung sarili mo ng doble-doble sa mga ganon, di ba?
Huwag ka na pumasok sa tukso, di ba?
Oh, yes, that's good.
Kung alam mong weakness mo yan.
Yes.
Last but not the least is what? For me, it's very important in order to build more security in your relationship with one another is show more affection.
Yeah.
Very important yan eh. Yung parang, to counter the feeling of insecurity is, yun nga, you be more affectionate. Diba? Yung parang words of appreciation, parang every single day, especially pag ikaw lalaki, diba kailangan ng misis natin to tell them, oh, I really love you, I really appreciate you, diba? Talagang, I'm so blessed. Parati ko sinasabi yan eh, na I'm so blessed na akong pinakasalan mo, diba? Pinakasalan din kita, diba? So, talagang, pag araw-araw ba, may reassurance ba talaga? The more na feeling ko, makakancel yung feeling na insecurity, matatanggal eh.
It's true. Unti-unti makakancel. That's good, that's good. Kasi, there are times naman na, yun nga, you need to focus on the positive side of your spouse rather than all those negatives. Na sometimes we need to have a grateful heart as well. And practice that. Kasi I believe practice makes permanent. When you do that, being intentional, kasi we did it like practicing. There are times na, ako minsan pag nasasad ako sa kanya, sinasabi ko, kahit na gusto kong magsabi na hindi magaganda, talagang sinasabi ko na, you know, ma, I'm sad. Kasi ganito, ganyan, ganyan. I made it na such a way na I could be able to at least say what I feel, na alam kong masama yung loob ko or something, but at the same time, ino-honor ko din siya. At the same time, I know it's not easy, no? It takes time. Ako, deliberately, I made it as a practice. Kasi you have to, yun nga eh, ako, lagi ko tinatanong kay Chinky yun, mahal, masaya ka ba pag umuwi ka sa bahay? Do you feel secure when you're at home? Do you feel this mantle of protection and joy when you, kasi importante yun eh. I want my husband to have that atmosphere of safety.
Tama.
Then when he gets home na parang, oh, nandito ko, no matter what, someone hurt you or nagkamali ka, I'm here for you no matter what.
Secure ako umuwi. Secure ako, gusto ko talaga umuwi. Kasi, masaya eh. Masaya na alam ko na hindi ako, bubongangaan. Diba? Hindi talaga, stress agad eh. Diba stress na nga sa labas, pag uwi mo, stress ka pa.
It's
so,
true.
ito lang po, itong pakiusap ko po sa inyo, no? I believe this is a very small topic probably, but it's a very meaningful topic. No, ikaw ba may feelings ka ba na insecurity towards your spouse?
Yes.
Dahil nga may nangyari in the past, o nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, nagkaroon kayo ng arguments.
Madaming roots eh. Merong iba akong alam na insecurity rin na pag yung asawa niya mas kumikita sa kanya. Insecurity rin yun, di ba?
Tama. Kaya nga, kung ano man yung insecurity, pinag-usapan nyo na ba to?
Yes.
Di ba? Or binabaon nyo lang sa limot.
Yes.
Di ba? Tapos lumalabas na lang from time to time. My question is, have you already tried to deal this issue already of insecurity? Na alam mo na insecure ka. Di ba?
That is something to work out this start of 2019. How can you make your spouse feel secure? What are ways that you could be able to brought up in that table na alam mong ma-assure mo siya ng pagmamahal mo?
At saka hindi lang yun. Kayo ba nag-usap na ba kayo about these issues?
Yes.
Pag hindi nyo pa pinag-usapan niya, maniwala po kayo, hindi siya masosolve.
It's
so,
true.
at saka ito pa, ang isa pang challenge na gusto kong gawin, yun nga, sana, yung 5 things na sinabi namin, watch your tone, number 2, walang secrets, number 3, encouragement, number 4, yung lalaki, saan tumitingin, diba, at saka show more affection. Ano sa palagay mo ang pwede mong gawin this week? This week, kahit isa lang.
Tama.
Isang bagay lang. To make your spouse feel more secure.
Yeah. Important, secure, and valued. That's true. Saka, yun nga eh, it's a continuous walk. Siyempre siguro, lumaki ka na hindi mo alam paano gawin, so paano gawin yun sa asawa mo. That's why we created that book, yung Happy Wife, Happy Life.
Itong librong
so, please buy our book to be able to, practical ways that you could be able to express how your spouse is to be secure. No? Kasi, sinasabi naming happy wife, happy life. Actually, happy house, happy spouse. Gano'n naman yun eh. Give and take. Yung sinasabi ni Chinky a while ago. Kung ito po ay makakatulong sa inyo, bumili po kayo ng aming libro, Happy Wife, Happy Life. Nasa National Bookstore and you can go to Chinkitan.
Yeah, chinkitan.com and you can order it. And then if not naman, kung hindi pa kayo happy sa sa libro dahil bitin. Kasi yun nga, meron kami special program of a mentoring program, a coaching program, a workshop actually, yung tinatawag na Happy Wife, Happy Life naman, companion workbook. It's a workshop that you can enroll and anytime, anywhere, any place, kahit na kayo nasa abroad, team abroad, you'll be able to watch this and we will be the one helping you, coaching you, and guiding you.
Magtulungan po tayo.
Yes. So, ang gagawin po ninyo, in order for you to be part of this program, all you need to do is just go to chinktv.com. Chinktv.com. Once you go to chinktv.com, ang mangyayari po niyan, you just look for Happy Wife, Happy Life na coaching program. Yung course na yun, and you can enroll. Registration is very, very affordable. Again, yung last session po namin, I still remember, we charged 3,500 pesos per couple.
Yeah.
But for this one, we want to make it more affordable para lahat ma-reach po natin yung mga mag-asawa na nangailangan.
Yes.
So we price it really at an affordable price of 799 pesos. So if you're interested to be part of this, to change your life, this is a good investment kasi ang goal talaga namin to help to change one marriage at a time. Yun talaga ang goal namin. So all you need to do is just type the word called Happy Wife so that you can we can send you the link so that you can enroll, and then once you enroll, you can already access it and you can watch it over and over again para ma-master nyo po. Again, type the word called Happy Wife. Again, parati namin sinasabi in our relationship, at the same time in our marriage, and diba, sa marriage din ninyo, pag may happy wife, may happy life. Yes. Bye!